Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro. Discussion na naman tayo ulit. May balita sa atin na some of the reports are trying to change or make change some of the Beerman players. But sa akin naman, may balak kong i-change yung mga Beerman players or squad para palakasin ang San Miguel Beerman. Ito ang 5 ways para maging San Miguel as a Grand Slam champion in one season. Here it is. Ang number 1 sa akin will be, I want to sell David Semerad because he needs to make a decision and need more experience in other teams. We need to sell Semerad because he needs some more discipline in other coaching ways. So I want Dave Semerad to sell us from the San Miguel Beerman. Second naman will be buy some old foes with the likes of Chris Banchero. Only one player can prove to join San Miguel Beerman, and it is Chris Banchero. Chris Banchero is also a former San Miguel Beerman player who plays in the ABL, who led him to its first ABL title for the SMB since SMB left PBA to join ABL. The third one will be bring back some legends like Dorian Peña or Danny Siegel, because we want to boost some players with the help of favorites, legends of the San Miguel Beerman. As of now, I hope Danny Siegel or Dorian Peña can return to the SMB, possibly in the near future, I think. Fourth one is change the system of Coach Leo in every formation, because Coach Leo needs new formation to help boost some other players to win this championship 3 times. And finally, number 5, help Junmar and Harwin to make and become an MVP either once again, either Finals MVP or the end of season MVP, possibly in the Leo Awards, because Junmar and Arvin are the most players in the San Miguel Beerman from now on I have ever seen. So it's a lucky of them both for the San Miguel Beerman if he wants to become a best player of the conference, possibly in 3 times in every conference. At yung si Junmar, sigurado magiging MVP sa darating na end of season ng PBA 41st season. Anyway, 5 things to help San Miguel Beerman to win this Grand Slam champion in the PBA season. Can you agree with me with that possible reports, possible ways to win this team a Grand Slam champion as a San Miguel Beerman? So also comment section below. I'm Andrew Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Shout out. Bye.